Alright, as you can see, my dad is taking a nice little nap. And I put some shaving cream in his hand. And look, I have a feather. So as I put this feather right up to his nose, hopefully, if all goes well, I'll get shaving cream all over his face. Oh, looks like he's reading a copy of Dr. Ray Guarani's book. He's a funny guy. He's also coming to our parish in October, I think. That should be good. Another good reason to be part of Life Team. Alright, let's see if this will work. Here goes. Alright, again. And third time's the charm. Didn't even wake up. That's stupid. I'm gonna try my mom.